Hi, my name is Vanessa Boudreau, and I am the CFER Program Coordinator. CFER is a work training program, meaning that we are a center for training in recycling and in business development skills. The program is modified according to our students' academic levels, while following the ministry curriculum for the work training program. We also ensure that the work training is pertinent and concrete by providing a real-life work setting for our students. The students who are eligible for the program are students who wish to pursue an alternative pathway through education. The students follow a 3-year program with us, at which point in their final year, they transition to a community work placement outside of the school. The students at the end of their 3-year program receive a certificate of attestation, at which point they may choose to continue and finish their secondary studies in adult education, or perhaps enter the job market. The students benefit from this program as they're exposed to real-life work environments. They're also exposed to academics that are linked to their real-life work environments. The students are provided ongoing teacher and technician support until they've reached a level of autonomy, at which point they transition to their final stage, which is in their 3rd year in an outside placement. The structure of the program allows for highly successful placements for our students. Some students even are hired after their placements, and others, like I said earlier, are continuing to their adult education. The students receive a variety of extracurricular activities, field trips, and opportunities to network with different CFER schools across Quebec. Now we will hear from 3 of our students, Vincent, Connor, and Leela, on their experiences in the program. Thank you.
Students transition from classroom academics to a direct work environments in school, such as our Bell recycling plant and the school print shop. With access to these different environments, we are developing our skills as autonomous individuals, engaged citizens, and productive workers.
In the classroom, we each have our own iPad, which we use on a daily basis. This also helps us to improve our skills related to technology. Our learning experience is built around our 5 CFER values, which are autonomy, effort, respect, involvement, and rigor.
In the factory, we sort all different types of recyclable material and dismantle industrial telephone equipment. These materials are then recycled or shipped back to Bell Canada. We also work in recycling and repurpose wood products.
In the print shop, we print photocopies for all the Heritage teachers and staff. We develop our customer service skills, ensuring product delivery and learning basic accounting.
I like the discipline that we get from being in this program and the variety of experiences we're exposed to. Also, I'm provided with many opportunities to develop my leadership skills. I love the environment I'm in because I feel like I'm in a safe place where I can get the support I need. Since I've been in CFER, I'm able to step out of my comfort zone and try things I could have never imagined.
In our recycling facilities, I get the hands-on experience and the opportunity to work either independently or as a part of a team. Since I've been in this program, I've had the chance to meet new people and to do many presentations on recycling in elementary schools, which has helped me with my public speaking.
I have matured through the experience of CFER. It is great to learn customer service in such an interactive environment and to develop my math skills with concrete numbers from our businesses. I feel like CFER taught me to be more open, more social, and more responsible.
If you would like more information, you can consult our CFER page on the Heritage Regional High School website. Follow us on Twitter at CFERHRHS. or contact Ms. Boudreau, the program coordinator. Thank you, and we will look forward to hearing from you.